Shalom, shalom, family. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. In this video, we are going to be taking you on a tour of a house, a investment property that we seen. So stay tuned to the end. I'm going to be walking you through what we seen. As you guys see, there's beautiful beaches, maybe 5 minutes away from the property, maybe 10 minutes away from the property. So we were riding around, checking out the area, and eventually we get into the community. So here, um, this is one of the main roads, and I was showing from what I seen from the map, hey, it might be behind this area here. So as we driving down the side street, we see lots of businesses here on the main road. Um, and this is a side street that we drive down. Uh, it's very nice. Everything's very clean here. The street is paved and everything. And also you have some farmland, local farmers that's farming sugarcane here. That's right on the same road, maybe 2-3 minutes away from the compound that we see now. So the compound, it's lots of houses here. It's tons of houses, beautiful houses. As you guys see, the flowers, the landscape is beautiful. Each of these are separate from each one. So I want to say every garage that you see is separate. So once you get in the community and once you get into the property in itself, it's very closed off, it's very private. Everything that you see is so green. The landscape is beautiful. They have people taking care of the landscape from the information that they provided. You will have to, pay a fee for that, which is not a lot. Um, but this community is so beautiful. It seems like every property that we see, it gets more and more beautiful. So as you guys see, most of the properties here where we are. By the way, if you want to know where we are, go ahead and check out our members only channel where we talk about the details of this property. As you guys see, all the properties have pools that we looked at. This property in particular, it's a 2.5 bedroom, 2 baths. So you see the outside here. It's very nice. The landscape is very good. They take care of the landscape very well. As you guys see, I'm walking into the patio. This is an added on. So this property that we specifically seen is an add-on. So they added this enclosed thing here where you can actually sit outside, and even if you want, you can turn it into a room in itself. So as you see, the landscape is just beautiful. Banana trees there. This is the master bedroom as we're walking in here. Don't mind me, I'm kind of like make sure everything looks good. So the master bedroom, AC, the bathroom here. It's just like wow. Very nice. The owners really took care of this property. Double sink, double mirror. The shower here is very nice with the flooring, the walls, everything is well taken care of. So when you come here, or if you're interested, everything will be taken care of. Everything is furnished also. As you see, the kitchen here, I believe this is an electric stove. So most of the nice houses here have electrics, and some of them have gas. All the utilities, all the things that you see here, the refrigerator and stuff is included. This is the first bathroom that we see, or this is the public bathroom, you should say, with the washer machine. Very nice toilet, the shower, the mirror, the sink. Everything here is just amazing. Like it is really breathtaking. Just how the dining room, the ceilings, the wall is very nice. The design inside is very clean, sleek. The white, as you see the window here to the patio, There's a pool area where you can just chill and relax. Here is the second bedroom where AC, and it also has a fan. Sometimes you don't get a fan and an AC at the same time. So this is the outside going into the living room. Um, living room, TV, very nice. So if you are interested in like a property like this to invest in, this here is the storage unit outside of the door. So this is the entryway, but this would be a perfect investment property. As you see, there's a sitting area outside. Especially, I feel like this property would be perfect for someone that wants to come here and retire and just have a simple life, because the community that we are in is very secure. As you guys see, I'm walking out of the gate there with my child, but this is the community in itself. The community has a gym included, it has a spa included, and also it has a restaurant included. So I'm pretty sure every one of these houses that we drive by has a pool, has pretty much the same thing that we just saw. So, you know, these are the opportunities here in Southern Africa where it's just very nice. It's very quiet. There's no drama. Um, the landscape is just beautiful. They really take things serious. The visa, the residency is very possible for 10 to 20 years. So if you want information about that thing, the things of that nature, make sure you just check out our members only channel. As you guys see, this is like a park in a way, where they're building onto it. It's still the community here. And as we go outside of the community, this is the beginning of the community where you see the beautiful waterfall. Um, and this is the main road that we're going to be turning on. So, man, I'm telling you guys, it gets better and better every time. So as we're driving, we go to another property that's been developed. So if you want more information about this property that's been developed, it's probably going to be a year and a half until it gets done. But this is the road is very private. It goes all the way to the house. One house already been built. So this is a house that's already been built. It's going to be 7 more houses built. As this, someone is actually rented out, so we didn't get a chance to look at it. But this is the land here, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and if you are interested, email us, leave a comment, and follow our member only channel. Shalom, shalom.